Hi friends, my name is Daejah McCormick and I'm the sous chef here at Methodist Theological School in Ohio. We are home to Seminary Hill Farm, and today I will be showing you how to make a recipe based on the items in your CSA share. Today we are going to do a roasted cauliflower salad with chickpeas and a honey lemon balsamic dressing. So before we put the salad together, I want to tell you about the ingredients that are involved in making our dressing, because I'm not going to put that together on camera. Here we have lemon juice, ground coriander, salt, pepper, and garlic. We have balsamic vinegar, oil, honey, and vegenaise, which is an eggless mayo. So to make the dressing, you just want to put them all in a bowl and whisk away like your life depends on it. So here we have our roasted cauliflower. I cut mine into florets, which are these little pieces here. I roasted mine with oil, paprika, salt, and pepper. And I only cooked them for about 15-20 minutes because you still want them to have some integrity. Don't want them to be soft and mushy. And that is the first ingredient we're going to add into our bowl. Also, I roast mine at 350 degrees, but since our ovens, well, commercial ovens are different from home ovens, you might want to go 25 degrees higher or below. Next, we have parsley just chopped up roughly. I'm going to throw that in. And then here we have chickpeas. I did not cook these. These are canned, but if you do cook chickpeas, like use dry chickpeas, you want to soak them overnight so that they don't take as long. And I'm going to mix this up before I add my dressing. And again, with all these ingredients, they kind of overlapped in what they have to offer as far as health benefits. So again, you get your antioxidants, kind of like broccoli. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable, so you get the same benefits as that. A lot of vitamins, dietary fiber. Chickpea is an excellent protein source. I'm not sure if it's a complete protein on its own, but it is a very good meat replacement. The other day I actually made a chicken salad just using chickpeas, and honestly I couldn't really tell the difference besides the texture, but the taste was the same to me. And then we're just going to mix this up. All right, and we add our dressing. If you can't tell, I am a big fan of balsamic. Mix it up again. And there's really no rhyme or reason to how I'm mixing this up, or for how long rather. I just keep going until I feel like it's thoroughly combined. Off. And that is our finished product. Our moment of truth. Yikes. Okay. I say excellent. Yeah. And from all of us here at MTSO and Seminary Hill Farm, enjoy.